33rd Degree Wisdom: How to Mentally Control the Quantum Field. Written by Justice O. Malcolm. Published by Audiobooks Office. Introduction. In 33rd Degree Wisdom, you are encouraged to embark on a trip that surpasses traditional understandings of reality. This book unveils the secrets of using your mind to interact with and influence the quantum field, the fundamental fabric of the universe. You'll learn that your thoughts and intentions are not just internal experiences, but powerful energies capable of affecting the world around you. As you delve into these pages, you'll discover the principles of quantum mechanics simplified for practical use. You'll explore how the thoughts of highly successful individuals resonate at frequencies that align with and manipulate this field to attract desired outcomes. This book empowers you with the knowledge and techniques to tune your own mental frequencies to these levels. Each chapter introduces concepts backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science, guiding you through meditative practices, visualization techniques, and mental exercises designed to strengthen your ability to influence the quantum field. You'll learn how to harness this power to manifest health, wealth, and success, transforming theoretical knowledge into tangible results. 33rd Degree Wisdom is not just a book, it's a tool for revolutionizing your perception of reality. It challenges you to expand your consciousness and take control of the energies that shape your life. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your mind and begin your transformation? Let's dive deep into the quantum realm together. Imagine standing on the brink of a gigantic ocean, where each ripple and wave represents the quantum field's subtle but significant influence. You've got a book on 33rd Degree Wisdom in your hands, a guide to mentally mastering this unseen domain. It's not just about comprehending quantum mechanics' mind-bending principles, it's about learning to wield them. You're about to journey into the interconnected nature of consciousness and the quantum field, learning to reshape reality with intention, focus, and quantum manifestation techniques. Ready to open up your limitless potential and transform the world around you? Let's go. For more information about the ebook version of this audio, check the video description or visit audiobooksoffice.com. We notice that 72% of you who listen to our video are not yet subscribed to the channel. Please help support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking the video. Thanks for inspiring us to create more content for you. Chapter 1. Unlocking the Quantum Mind. Plunging headfirst into the realm of the quantum intellect, you'll commence to unravel the intricate layers of 33rd Degree Wisdom, a journey that promises to challenge and expand your current comprehension of consciousness. The quantum intellect, a concept deeply rooted in quantum physics, posits that our minds aren't mere byproducts of physical processes, but rather entities that interact with the universe on a subatomic level. This subatomic interaction, you'll come to understand, is the key to unlocking the potential of the quantum intellect. It's not about altering the physical world directly, but about influencing the probabilities in the quantum realm to bring about desired outcomes in the physical world. To understand this concept, you must delve deeper into quantum physics, notably the principle of superposition, which allows a quantum entity to exist in numerous states at the same time until it is observed. As you navigate the complexities of the quantum intellect, it's essential you comprehend the notion of observing in quantum physics. It's not just about passive seeing, it's a conscious act that affects the outcome. When you observe, you collapse the superposition, solidifying one state from the multiple possibilities. This understanding of the quantum intellect provides a new perspective on how thought processes can influence reality. It's not a matter of wishful thinking or blind optimism, but a scientific approach based on the principles of quantum physics. Understanding the quantum intellect is an important step toward mastering the 33rd Degree Wisdom, a journey that will change your perspective on reality and your function within it. Chapter 2. Ancient Wisdom Meets Modern Physics. As you grasp the principles of quantum intellect, you'll find it intriguing how this modern physics concept echoes the ancient wisdom, particularly the 33rd degree wisdom, where the microcosm and macrocosm mirror each other. This wisdom holds that the universe is a reflection of our inner world, mirroring the quantum idea that observers can influence the reality they perceive. Essentially, your mind's perception can shape the quantum field, an idea both ancient and modern. The ancient wisdom of the 33rd degree invokes a deep understanding of the interconnected nature of reality. It's a concept that resonates strongly with the principles of quantum entanglement, where particles are intimately linked, regardless of distance. You'll find that these ancient and modern concepts aren't as divergent as they may initially seem, but rather, they provide complementary perspectives on the same profound truth: reality is fundamentally malleable and interconnected. Moreover, the principle of wave-particle duality in quantum physics, where light can behave as both a particle and a wave, parallels the ancient wisdom's teachings on the dual nature of existence. This wisdom perceives that all things in the universe have a dual nature, strikingly similar to the concept discovered in quantum mechanics. The beauty in this convergence of ancient wisdom and modern physics is that it illuminates how timeless and universal these principles truly are. It's not just a matter of old meeting new, but rather a reaffirmation that wisdom, regardless of era or origin, points to the same fundamental truths about the universe and our place within it. Chapter 3. The Hidden Patterns of Reality. Peeling back the layers of our perceptual reality, you'll discover an elaborate tapestry of hidden patterns, a tribute to the profound wisdom of the 33rd degree. This tapestry, woven from the quantum interplay of matter and energy, is a reflection of the interconnectedness of the universe and the subtle, often concealed principles that govern it. These patterns, though hidden, aren't inaccessible. Quantum mechanics, a branch of science concerned with the universe's smallest particles, provides a lens through which to see these patterns. However, this lens requires a shift in perspective. It's not enough to simply observe; you must actively engage with the quantum field, a process that demands both mental acuity and a deep understanding of quantum theory. The double-slit experiment, for example, demonstrates a fundamental pattern of reality: the wave-particle duality of light. Light behaves both as a particle and a wave, but only when observed. This reveals the observer's pivotal role in shaping reality, a concept that's central to understanding the quantum mind. The quantum world doesn't abide by the rules of classical physics that you're familiar with. Instead, it's governed by probabilities and uncertainties. Particles can be in two or more locations at once, superposition, and have instantaneous interactions with one another, entanglement, regardless of their distance from one another. These patterns provide a framework for manipulating the quantum field. But remember, it's not about brute force, but subtle, nuanced control. It's about understanding the hidden patterns of reality and learning how to dance with them, not against them. Chapter 4. Tapping into Limitless Potential. Harnessing the understanding of these hidden patterns, you can tap into your limitless potential, a domain where the quantum mind meets the vastness of the universe. The key to this lies in your ability to recognize and utilize your quantum mind, that is, the part of your consciousness that interfaces with the quantum field. This process isn't simply about mental acrobatics. It's about a deep, profound, and transformative understanding of the universe and your place within it. It involves perceiving reality not as a solid, unchanging entity, but as a fluid, dynamic system influenced by your thoughts, intentions, and actions. Your quantum mind, once fully activated, serves as a conduit between you and the quantum field. It's your tool for interacting with the universe on its own terms, using its own language. Remember, the quantum field doesn't respond to wishes or hopes. It responds to clear, focused intentions. By mastering the quantum mind, you're not controlling the quantum field, but rather engaging with it in a co-creative process. It's a symbiotic relationship where your thoughts and intentions are reflected back at you by the universe. Tapping into your limitless potential is more than just achieving your goals or manifesting your dreams. It's about becoming an active participant in the creation of your reality. It's about recognizing your inherent power and potential and using it to shape the universe around you in a way that reflects your highest aspirations and deepest truths. Chapter 5. Quantum Field Fundamentals. To truly grasp the basics of the quantum field, you've got to explore into the core of quantum mechanics, the theory that underpins the dynamics of subatomic particles. This grand theory, born in the 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of the microscopic world. It's not an easy journey, but it's certainly a worthwhile one. The quantum field, fundamentally, is a framework that blends quantum mechanics and special relativity. It describes particles as excited states of an underlying physical field, fields akin to the electric field that permeates space. In this perspective, particles aren't isolated entities but an expression of the field's fluctuations. The quantum field's unique properties distinguish it from classical fields. For instance, it can exhibit both particle-like and wave-like behavior, a phenomenon known as wave-particle duality. It's a result of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which states you can't simultaneously know the exact position and momentum of a particle. This isn't a limitation of measurement but a fundamental aspect of nature itself. Furthermore, the quantum field can manifest virtual particles, transient entities that pop in and out of existence due to energy fluctuations. They might seem like ghostly apparitions, but their effects are real and measurable, contributing to forces like electromagnetism and gravity. It is critical to understand these principles, since they will serve as the foundation for your journey to mentally control the quantum field. Remember that comprehension is the first step towards mastery. As you explore deeper into the quantum domain, you'll uncover more about its enigmatic and powerful nature. Chapter 6. The Power of Thought Waves. Building on your understanding of the quantum field, you're now ready to explore the intriguing concept of thought waves and their potent influence. Thought waves, in the domain of quantum physics, refer to the idea that our thoughts can produce tangible, measurable energy. This notion is essential to comprehend the power we possess at the quantum level. You may wonder, how do thoughts generate energy? It's through an intricate process called neurosynaptic transmission. Simply put, every thought you have triggers a series of neurochemical reactions in your brain. These reactions create electrical impulses, which generate electromagnetic waves or thought waves. They're real, measurable, and capable of influencing the quantum field. It's important to note that thought waves differ in frequency and intensity, mirroring the nature of our thoughts. Positive thoughts generate higher frequency waves, while negative ones produce lower frequency waves. This distinction is vital as it implies that the type of thought wave we emit can directly impact our reality at the quantum level. Scientific studies suggest that these thought waves can influence the behavior of particles in the quantum field. This fact is astonishing, considering it implies that our thoughts have the potential to shape our physical reality. However, it's not as simple as it seems. Thought wave influence on the quantum field is nuanced and requires a detailed understanding of quantum mechanics. Chapter 7. Mind over Matter Principles. Delving deeper into quantum physics, you'll encounter mind over matter principles, asserting that our conscious mind can directly influence physical matter and events. This concept, though intricate and multifaceted, is grounded in the belief that our thoughts have the capacity to shape reality. If you're familiar with the double-slit experiment, you'll understand the profound implications. When observed, electrons behave differently, suggesting that the act of observation itself impacts their behavior. Mind over matter principles aren't just philosophical conjectures. They're intertwined with the principles of quantum field theory QFT, a framework that combines classical field theory, special relativity, and quantum mechanics. QFT posits that all particles are excited states of the underlying quantum field. Consequently, if the mind can influence these particles, it's important to consider that it could control the quantum field itself. This shift in perspective from the deterministic Newtonian physics to the probabilistic quantum physics marks a significant leap. Not only can the mind influence matter, but it is also an essential component of the universe's structure. You are not a passive viewer, but an active participant. However, it's essential to mention that this doesn't mean you can levitate objects with your mind. It's about subtle shifts, minor influences that can tip the scales of quantum probabilities. Understanding and mastering these principles could potentially provide unparalleled control over your reality. But remember, this is a complex, nuanced field. You must approach it with an open, yet critical mind, always ready to learn more, question, and explore. Chapter 8. Transcending the Physical Realm. Venturing beyond the physical, you'll find that surpassing the material world is a central tenet in the wisdom of the 33rd degree. This transcendence isn't about rejecting the physical domain, but rather understanding its limitations and the necessity of exploring other dimensions of existence. To grasp this concept, imagine the physical world as a single radio channel in a vast spectrum. Just as there are countless other channels, there are numerous other realities beyond the physical. What we perceive with our five senses is merely a fraction, a single station of existence. In this context, surpassing the physical is about tuning into these other stations. It's about expanding your consciousness beyond the physical, expanding your ability to perceive, interact with, and influence realities beyond the material. But how is this accomplished? The 33rd degree lessons emphasize mental discipline as the key. Meditation, visualization, and affirmations can help you train your mind to go beyond the physical. It's not about negating or denying the physical domain, but rather understanding and accepting it as one part of a larger picture. Surpassing the physical doesn't mean floating on a cloud or living in a dream. It means understanding the interconnectedness of all things, seeing the patterns and energies that underlie physical reality, and learning to work with these to create change. Surpassing the physical domain, hence, is a pathway to greater wisdom, understanding, and influence, an essential step in mastering the principles of the 33rd degree. Chapter 9. Decoding the Quantum Matrix. As you delve deeper into the wisdom of the 33rd degree, you'll encounter the concept of the quantum matrix, a cosmic web of interconnected energies and possibilities that exists beyond the physical domain. To decode this matrix, you'll need to understand it as a multi-dimensional construct of quantum particles, vibrating at different frequencies to create a spectrum of realities. Each point within the matrix correlates to a specific quantum state. These states aren't fixed, they're in a constant state of flux, responding to the energy and intentions you emit. This understanding is the first key to mentally controlling the quantum field. By aligning your consciousness with a desired state, you can influence the matrix to manifest that reality. Now, consider the quantum matrix as a vast ocean of potentialities. Your mind, when attuned to the frequency of a specific potentiality, acts as a beacon, drawing that reality towards you. This method is more than just wishful thinking. It involves discipline, focus, and a thorough understanding of quantum physics principles. Decoding the quantum matrix also requires you to transcend the constraints of linear time. In this domain, past, present, and future exist concurrently. By understanding this, you can harness the power of the quantum mind to access wisdom from any point in time, thereby enriching your present experiences and outcomes. Chapter 10. The 33rd Degree Wisdom Blueprint. Building upon the principles of the quantum matrix, the 33rd Degree Wisdom Blueprint serves as your guide to accessing the full potential of your consciousness and achieving mastery over your reality. Rooted in ancient philosophy and modern science, The blueprint outlines a step-by-step approach to perceiving and harnessing the power of the quantum field through your quantum mind. The blueprint's first stage involves developing your self-awareness. Through meditation and introspection, you'll identify and examine your beliefs, emotions, and thought patterns. This vital phase serves as the foundation for your quest to mental mastery. Next, the blueprint details the practice of quantum visualization. You'll learn to create precise mental images of your desired reality. This process not only sharpens your focus but also attunes your consciousness to the frequencies of the quantum field, enabling you to tap into its infinite potential. The third step is quantum affirmations, where you'll use positive, present tense statements to influence your subconscious mind. This technique helps align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired reality, enhancing your ability to manifest it. The final stage is quantum action. Here, you'll be guided to take inspired actions that are in harmony with your desired reality. This stage is vital as it bridges the gap between your mental domain and physical reality. The 33rd Degree Wisdom Blueprint is a thorough guide that offers you with the tools and tactics to govern your world using your quantum mind. By following it diligently, you'll gain the profound wisdom and power of the 33rd degree, the highest level of conscious awareness. Chapter 11. Understanding Quantum Consciousness. Diving into the concept of quantum consciousness, you'll discover it's at its core the understanding that you possess a quantum mind, a mind capable of interacting with, influencing, and even creating reality. To grasp this concept, you have to redefine your perception of consciousness from a purely biological function to a quantum process. Quantum consciousness posits that your consciousness isn't confined to your brain or body. Instead, it extends into the physical world, entangling with the quantum fields that make up reality. This perspective broadens the realm of consciousness by embracing quantum physics principles like superposition and entanglement. To understand superposition, consider the famous Schrödinger's cat experiment. The cat was both dead and alive until observed, which then collapsed the possibilities into one state. Similarly, your quantum mind holds multiple possibilities that collapse into a single reality with your conscious observation. However, a strange phenomenon known as entanglement occurs when two particles get entangled, meaning that no matter how far apart they are, the state of one immediately influences the state of the other. This implies that your quantum mind could potentially influence reality at a distance. Furthermore, quantum consciousness argues that your mind is an active participant in reality construction. This idea positions the quantum mind as a powerful tool for manifesting desired outcomes. But remember, understanding quantum consciousness is only the first step. Mastering its use is another journey altogether. Chapter 12. The quantum mind as a tool. Now that we've established the concept of quantum consciousness, let's explore how you can leverage your quantum mind as a powerful tool for manifesting reality. Remember, your quantum mind is the epicenter of your consciousness, intricately linked with the infinite possibilities of the quantum field. Consider your quantum mind to be an artist's palette. You can construct your ideal reality by blending thoughts, feelings, and aspirations in the same way that an artist does with colors. However, this is not a random process. It requires dexterity, concentration, and a deep understanding of how everything is interconnected. The quantum mind transforms you from a passive observer to an active participant in the evolution of your reality. You have the potential to choose which quantum states to realize, therefore impacting the course of your experiences. But remember, this isn't about wishful thinking or simple positive affirmations. It's about aligning your conscious intent with the quantum possibilities, thereby collapsing the quantum wave function into a specific state. In essence, your quantum mind acts as a dynamic interface, bridging the gap between your conscious intent and the quantum field. It's through this interaction that you shape and mold your reality. However, the power of the quantum mind isn't to be taken lightly. It demands a deep understanding, respect, and conscious utilization. Thus, it's essential to cultivate mental discipline, clarity of intent, and an understanding of the principles of quantum mechanics. In the following sections, we'll dig deeper into how you can harness this power effectively. For now, recognize the potential of your quantum mind and begin to explore its limitless possibilities. Chapter 13. Harnessing Quantum Energy. To truly harness the vast potential of quantum energy, you must first understand its fundamental nature and the principles guiding its behavior. Quantum energy, the bedrock of quantum physics, manifests through particles like electrons and photons, sometimes appearing as particles, other times as waves, in a phenomenon known as wave-particle duality. This duality is the heart of its elusive and counterintuitive nature. To harness this energy, you need to understand and work within the constraints posed by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. You can't simultaneously know both the exact location and momentum of a quantum particle. This principle isn't simply a technological limitation, but rather an inherent feature of the quantum world. Quantum superposition is an important concept in harnessing quantum energy. Particles can be in numerous states at once, only settling into a certain state when seen. This principle is fundamental to the operation of quantum computers and quantum encryption technologies. Another useful method is the use of quantum entanglement, which occurs when two particles become inextricably linked, and the state of one immediately changes the state of the other, regardless of distance. This phenomena underpins quantum teleportation and computation. Chapter 14. Shaping Reality with Thought. While harnessing quantum energy engages with the physical world's infinitesimal building blocks, shaping reality with thought deals with your mind's power to influence and alter the perception of your reality. This is a profound principle within the philosophy of 33rd degree wisdom. Thoughts, you see, are energy. It's been scientifically proven that they produce measurable vibrational frequencies. When you focus your thoughts, you're effectively tuning your brain's frequency to a specific wavelength, much like a radio. The quantum field, which is an all-encompassing energy field, responds to these frequencies. Think of it as a vast cosmic mirror, reflecting back the energy it receives. Your thoughts shape your reality by influencing this quantum field. Positive thoughts generate positive energy, which is reflected back at you, shaping your reality in a positive way. Conversely, negative thoughts produce negative energy, which also shapes your reality, but in a detrimental way. This isn't a metaphorical concept, it's a literal, tangible process grounded in quantum physics. Understanding this, you must be cautious not only about what you think, but also how you think about it. Becoming cognizant of your thought patterns and consciously directing them towards positivity and constructive energy is the key to shaping your reality with thought. Of course, it's not as simple as imagine pleasant thoughts and your life will be perfect. Shaping reality with thought is a skill that involves experience, discipline, and a thorough grasp of one's own mind. However, with time and effort, you will see that your ability to control your reality grows more profound. Chapter 15. The Art of Quantum Manifestation. Delving into the art of quantum manifestation, you'll realize it's an intriguing journey within the field of 33rd degree wisdom, where your focused thoughts can tangibly shape your reality. Quantum manifestation, as an intellectual exercise, pushes the boundaries of conventional thought and engages the quantum mind in a dance of creation. Essentially, quantum manifestation is a process where your concentrated thoughts and mental energy interact with the quantum field to manifest desired outcomes. This isn't a metaphysical concept, but rather an empirical science grounded in the principles of quantum physics. To master quantum manifestation, you'll need to align your thoughts and emotions with the desired object or outcome. This alignment creates a magnetic force field that pulls the quantum energy towards your vision. You're not just wishing for something, but actively shaping the quantum field around you. However, the process requires unwavering belief and mental discipline. Doubt or disbelief disrupts the quantum field and weakens your manifestation power. It's similar to tuning a radio. The clearer and more powerful the signal, the better reception. Understanding quantum manifestation is more than just comprehending its mechanics. It's about embracing a new mindset, one that acknowledges the immense power of your mind over matter. It's about realizing that in the quantum field, possibilities are endless, and you're the creator. Always remember, in the world of quantum manifestation, thoughts aren't just passive observers, but powerful participants that shape reality. Next, we'll explore quantum entanglement and you. Until then, practice honing your manifestation skills. Chapter 16. Quantum entanglement and you. In the domain of 33rd degree wisdom, you'll find yourself intertwined with the sophisticated concept of quantum entanglement, a phenomenon that redefines our understanding of connectivity and correlation. Let's explore the heart of this concept and examine the implications it holds for you. Quantum entanglement is the peculiar, yet scientifically proven, reality that two particles, once intertwined, remain interconnected regardless of distance. Alter the state of one, and the other responds instantaneously. It's a dance of subatomic particles, surpassing space and time constraints. Imagine this regarding your thoughts. You're a quantum being, and your thoughts are energy particles. When these thoughts become intertwined with your desires, an inseparable bond forms. Change your thoughts, and you alter the state of your reality. This is the essence of mental control over the quantum field. However, harnessing this power is not easy. It takes a profound understanding of quantum mechanics and your own consciousness. You need to be aware of your thoughts, carefully choosing those that align with your desired reality. Your mind, in this case, acts as the observer in the quantum world, collapsing the wave function into a particle of your choice. Understanding quantum entanglement can be a game changer in your pursuit of 33rd degree wisdom. It offers a pathway to manifesting your desires on a quantum level. So don't just exist in the quantum field, master it. Remember, you're not only a part of this interconnected universe, you're a co-creator. Controlled intertwining of your thoughts and desires can lead to the realization of your highest potential. Chapter 17. The Space-Time Continuum. Moving to another cornerstone of 33rd degree wisdom, you'll encounter the space-time continuum, an entity that merges 3 dimensions of space with the 4th dimension of time into a single 4-dimensional continuum. This concept, a pillar of Einstein's theory of relativity, proposes that we don't exist in 3 dimensions plus time as separate entities, but rather in a single, interconnected 4-dimensional structure. Space isn't static, and time isn't a unidirectional flow. They're intertwined, forming the space-time fabric. To grasp this concept, imagine you're standing on a trampoline. You represent a mass in space, and the trampoline is the space-time continuum. When you stand in the middle, you create a distortion or a dip, representing gravity's pull. This is how mass shapes space-time, and subsequently, how space-time directs the movement of mass. Now let's apply this to the mental manipulation of the quantum field. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions are akin to the mass in space. They distort the space-time around you, creating a unique gravitational pull. This pull, in turn, influences the quantum field in which you exist. By consciously altering your thoughts and emotions, you're fundamentally changing your gravitational pull, consequently affecting your interaction with the quantum field. Understanding the space-time continuum is pivotal to harnessing 33rd degree wisdom. It's not merely about manipulating the quantum field, but understanding the intricate dynamics that govern our universe. It's about realizing that you're not just in the universe, but a part of it. Chapter 18. Navigating the Quantum Realm. As you step into the quantum domain, It's vital to understand that this isn't just a physical journey, but also a deeply personal and spiritual exploration of the self. The quantum universe, a center of infinite potentialities, serves as the foundation of all existence, yet it's crucial to comprehend that it's not explored through physical means, but through the mind. In exploring the quantum universe, the first step is understanding your quantum self. This is the version of you that exists beyond the physical, a harmonization of consciousness and the quantum field. Along with every particle, you actively participate in the quantum dance of creation. You are not only an observer. Next, it's important to grasp the two principal features of this universe: superposition and entanglement. Superposition refers to a quantum system existing in multiple states simultaneously until observed, while entanglement involves two particles acting as one, regardless of the distance between them. Here, cause and effect lose their traditional meanings. Instead, you encounter a world where belief shapes reality. Lastly, exploring this universe requires mental discipline. Mastery of your thoughts and emotions is vital as they manifest into energetic signatures that interact with the quantum field. With focused intent, you can influence this field, but it necessitates practice and patience. Chapter 19. Unlocking the Secrets of Reality. Having traversed the domain of the quantum, you're now prepared to reveal the secrets of reality, starting with understanding that reality isn't a fixed construct, but a fluid manifestation of consciousness. This isn't a mere philosophical conjecture, rather. It's rooted in the principles of quantum physics. The groundbreaking experiments in the quantum field, such as the double-slit experiment, have shown that reality at its fundamental level is influenced by the observer's consciousness. This concept is often encapsulated in the term observer effect, which postulates that the act of observing a system inevitably alters its state. You're not just a passive spectator in the theater of reality, you're an active participant shaping the narrative. The implications of this are profound. It suggests that you carry within you the potential to shape and influence your reality. Yet to reveal this ability, you must become conscious of your consciousness. You must realize that your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs aren't just internal experiences, they're vibrational frequencies that interact with the quantum field, influencing the physical reality you perceive. This process of consciously engaging with your reality is often termed reality transurfing. Revealing the secrets of reality, consequently, involves a deep exploration of your inner world. It requires an understanding of the interconnectedness of your consciousness with the quantum field. It's a journey of self-discovery, demanding rigorous introspection and a willingness to question fundamental assumptions about the nature of reality. But the payoff is profound: a newfound capacity to consciously shape your reality, leveraging the uncanny wisdom of the 33rd degree. Chapter 20. The Quantum Connection to All. Delving deeper into the quantum domain, you'll discover that every particle, every wave of energy, is interconnected in a vast, intricate web of relationships, establishing the quantum connection to all. This connection, often referred to as quantum entanglement, isn't merely a theoretical construct but a well-documented phenomenon in the field of quantum physics. You'll find that particles separated by vast distances instantaneously affect one another's states, defying our conventional understanding of space and time. The implications of this quantum interconnectedness are profound. It suggests that at the deepest levels of reality, separateness is an illusion. Everything you see, touch, and experience is part of an interconnected whole, a cosmic tapestry woven together by the threads of quantum relationships. You're not an isolated entity but a part of this universal matrix. However, understanding this connection isn't merely about intellectual comprehension. It's about experiencing a shift in consciousness, a transformation in the way you perceive reality. We're moving beyond the boundaries of classical physics into the domain of quantum metaphysics, where mind and matter, observer and observed, are no longer separate but intertwined in a complex dance of existence. In essence, the quantum connection to all signifies that you're not only a part of the universe, but, in a very real sense, the universe is in you. Every particle that exists, every wave of energy, resonates within you, reflecting the infinite potentiality of the cosmos. This understanding paves the way for the next stage of your journey, harnessing the power of intention and focus. Chapter 21. The power of intention and focus. Releasing the power of intention and focus can profoundly transform your understanding of the universe and your place within it. These twin forces, when properly harnessed, serve as a powerful conduit linking your personal consciousness to the quantum field, creating an interplay that can shape your reality. Intention, in this context, isn't a mere wish or a simple declaration. It's an assertive commitment to a specific outcome, a precise mental blueprint of your desired reality. It's the quantum seed you plant in the fertile field of the universe. Cultivating this level of intention requires clarity, a deep-seated belief in its fruition, and an unwavering commitment to its realization. Focus, on the other hand, is the lens through which your intention is projected into the quantum field. It's a persistent concentration of mental energy that keeps your intention sharp and clear amidst the noise of external influences. The sharper your focus, the clearer the signal you send into the quantum field, enhancing the likelihood of your intention manifesting. While intention sets the course, focus is the engine that drives you towards your goal. They're the rudder and the sail of your quantum vessel, steering through the vast and unpredictable sea of potentialities. To master this quantum art, you must first understand the intrinsic relationship between intention and focus, acknowledging their mutual dependency in the manifestation process. Harnessing these forces isn't a mystical or esoteric practice reserved for the enlightened few. It's a practical, learnable skill that can empower you to consciously shape your reality, aligning it with your deepest desires and aspirations. Chapter 22. Quantum Leaps in Personal Growth. When you master the power of intention and focus, you can experience significant advancements in your personal growth, propelling you towards a higher state of consciousness and self-understanding. This isn't a metaphorical leap, but a profound shift akin to the quantum jump of an electron from one energy state to another in the atomic world. It's an abrupt, discontinuous progression that propels you to a higher level of being. The process involves harnessing the quantum mind's potential to influence the quantum field. Just as a quantum particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed, your potential for growth is limitless until you consciously choose and focus on a specific direction. You're not merely accumulating knowledge or adding skills. Instead, you're fundamentally reshaping your understanding of yourself and the universe. This change often occurs when you reconcile the dualities of your existence, such as the physical and spiritual, the personal and universal, the conscious and subconscious. However, these significant advancements don't happen overnight. They require consistent practice, self-introspection, and a willingness to challenge existing paradigms. It's akin to a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble, revealing the masterpiece within. But instead of a chisel, you're using your intentions and focus to shape your reality. Chapter 23. Mindful Quantum Living. Building on the concept of quantum leaps in personal growth, mindful quantum living emerges as the practical application of this wisdom, allowing you to actively shape your reality with intentional focus and consciousness. This approach isn't some esoteric theory, it's a practical, methodical process that leverages the principles of quantum physics and mindfulness to influence the quantum field surrounding you. Mindful quantum living begins with the recognition and acceptance of the quantum self, acknowledging that you're not simply a physical being, but a vibrant, dynamic entity within a quantum field. You're a co-creator of your reality, and every thought, every emotion, and every action has potential impact on this field. Here, mindfulness serves as your compass, guiding you towards intentional thoughts and actions that align with your desired reality. To effectively practice mindful quantum living, you've got to develop a keen awareness of your thought patterns and emotional responses. It's not enough to vaguely hope for change. You've got to consciously choose your thoughts and emotions and deliberately direct them towards your goals. This is a profound shift from traditional, reactive living, where you're often at the mercy of external circumstances. In practical terms, mindful quantum living involves regular mindfulness practices, such as meditation, visualization, and affirmations, coupled with an understanding of quantum principles. This combination can foster a deeper connection with the quantum self and the quantum field, fortifying your ability to influence your reality. Therefore, through mindful quantum living, you seize the reins of your life, directing it towards your desired outcomes with conscious intention and quantum insight. Chapter 24. Accessing Higher States of Awareness. As you advance in your study of 33rd degree wisdom, your next step involves accessing higher states of awareness. This journey will require you to learn quantum mind awareness techniques, navigate the quantum field, and enhance your mental control capacity. In mastering these skills, you'll be able to open up a profound level of consciousness previously unattainable. By learning quantum mind awareness techniques, you can get access to higher realms of awareness and a reservoir of profound insight. These techniques, based on long-standing scientific and spiritual traditions, provide access to perceptions that go well beyond the everyday. Your first step lies in understanding consciousness as a quantum field. It's not just a metaphysical concept, but a tangible layer of reality, subject to the same laws of quantum mechanics that govern matter at its most fundamental level. You're not merely a passive observer of this field, but an active participant, your thoughts and intentions shaping the field's manifestation in your life. Next, you need to cultivate mindfulness. This includes not just meditation, but also conscious observation of your thoughts and actions throughout the day. It isn't about suppressing thoughts, but about experiencing them without judgment. This process of detached observation allows you to tap into the quantum field at will, connecting you with the vast wisdom it holds. Lastly, practice visualization. This technique leverages the entanglement property of quantum mechanics, enabling you to see your desired reality and draw it into existence. Through these techniques, you'll access higher states of consciousness, accessing untapped potential and wisdom within. Exploring the quantum field, you'll find, is like embarking on a journey into the deepest realms of your consciousness, where higher levels of awareness await. This metaphysical terrain, brimming with limitless possibilities, operates on principles that defy conventional logic. Your usual way of thinking won't be sufficient here. You'll need to embrace a more expansive quantum perspective. To navigate this field, understanding the nature of quantum entanglement is crucial. This phenomenon implies that all particles are interconnected, regardless of their distance apart. Therefore, what happens to one particle can immediately influence another, even across vast cosmic distances. This entanglement mirrors the interconnection of your thoughts, emotions, and experiences, all of which contribute to your reality. Furthermore, you must understand the idea of superposition, which allows a quantum system to exist in numerous states at the same time until it is seen. This displays the power of consciousness in reducing infinite possibilities to a single reality through the act of observation. Navigating the quantum field isn't about control, but rather about comprehending and aligning with its principles. It involves recognizing that you're an integral part of this complex web of existence and learning to consciously shape your reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. By enhancing your mental control capacity, you're opening the door to higher states of awareness, an essential step to master the principles of the quantum field. This process may seem abstract, yet it's grounded in concrete practices. For instance, consistent meditation enhances the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain in charge of executive function and self-control. Additionally, cultivating mindfulness enhances your ability to focus, enabling you to direct your thoughts more effectively. The quantum field, according to prevailing interpretations, responds to conscious observation. Improving your mental control impacts how you interact with this field. Yet, it's not just about control, it's about connectivity. Engaging with the interconnectedness of all things, a core principle of quantum physics, can foster a heightened sense of awareness. Practices such as visualization and affirmation can help cultivate this understanding, anchoring your mental processes in the quantum reality. Chapter 25. Reality Hacking with the Quantum Mind. As you set off on the journey of reality hacking with the quantum mind, it's vital to comprehend the quantum state, a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics that defines the intrinsic nature of particles. Harnessing quantum field energy emerges as the next step, tapping into the boundless potential of the universe. Delving into the world of quantum physics, you'll discover that understanding the quantum state is fundamental for mastering the art of reality hacking with the quantum mind. Your comprehension of this concept will be a cornerstone for your ability to control the quantum field mentally. A quantum state, at its core, is the current condition of a quantum system, a specific combination of quantum properties that the system possesses at a given time. It is a mathematical entity that generates a probability distribution for each conceivable measurement on the system. In contrast to traditional physics, quantum states are probabilistic rather than deterministic. In practical terms, quantum states can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. This is a key element in understanding the quantum mind. The quantum mind, in its essence, isn't a single, fixed state, but rather a superposition of many possibilities. With this understanding, you can begin to see how the quantum mind can influence reality. It's through this influence that the concept of reality hacking comes into play. By influencing your quantum mind, you can indirectly shift your quantum state, thereby reshaping your reality. Harnessing the energy of the quantum field, you're stepping into the world of reality hacking through the power of the quantum mind. This isn't a domain of hocus pocus, but one based on quantum physics principles, grounded in empirical research. The quantum field, or Q field, is a sea of energy that permeates all things. It's where particles and waves exist simultaneously, governed by the principles of superposition and entanglement. Your mind, in its quantum state, can directly interact with this field, influencing reality at its most fundamental level. To harness the Q field's energy, it's essential to first clear your mind. A cluttered mind emits chaotic energy, disrupting the Q field rather than influencing it. Meditation is a valuable tool here, fostering mental clarity and focus. Next, develop a deep understanding of your desired outcome, the reality you wish to manifest. Visualize it in detail, feel its reality, and hold it in your mind. Your focused thoughts, charged with intention, can then resonate with the Q field, influencing its energy towards your desired reality. How can you master mental reality control and start to hack reality with your quantum mind? To begin, you'll need to understand that all reality is simply a manifestation of quantum energy. Your mind, as a quantum entity, has the ability to manipulate this energy. This is a concept deeply rooted in quantum physics and the study of consciousness. To start, engage in deep meditation. It's crucial to achieve a state of mind where your conscious thoughts align with your subconscious desires. This process, known as coherent mode, is where the magic happens. It's in this state that your mind interacts directly with the quantum field, altering reality. Then focus on reality imprinting. This involves visualizing your desired reality and mentally imprinting it onto the quantum field. It's similar to programming a computer. The quantum field is your hardware, your mind is the software, and your thoughts are the code. Lastly, practice patience. Reality hacking isn't a quick process. It requires consistent practice and unwavering belief in your abilities. In the end, your journey through the 33rd Degree Wisdom book has been a fusion of ancient knowledge and quantum mechanics, a proof to the saying, as above, so below. You've discovered the quantum mind's potential, understanding reality's hidden patterns, and accessing higher states of awareness. Now, with this newfound wisdom, you're ready to reshape your reality, demonstrating that we're all indeed masters of our fate, captains of our souls. The quantum field is yours to command. Thanks for listening to or reading this from Audiobooks Office.